Hey, what's up, Shiba holders? At this time, I'm feeling very happy to holding Shiba, and I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba token at this time. Except of this, I'm very happy at this time. My friends, I believe that you will feel very happy after watching this video, because in this video, I'm talking about the good news of Shiba. Keep watch and I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Please, my friends, don't ignore my words and kindly click the subscribe button. I hope you all subscribe my channel. So thank you so much, my friends. Let's move on. First of all, we look the latest update of the Shiba, and after that we discuss that what's going on in this time in the Shiba. My friends, the latest price of Shiba at this time in the market is 0.0008 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Shiba in the market. On the other side, if we look the price changes occur in the Shiba, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price change occur in the Shiba is negative. So now you think that the price change is negative, so how you feel happy? My friends, I believe you will also feel happy after watching this video. Only keep watch this video. Let's see, my friends, the price chart, what's going on this time in the Shiba. That is the last 1 month price chart of the Shiba. You can see here in the start of May, on 7th May, 8th May, 9th May, the Shiba price rise up and they will take the huge pump. But now after a fast, the price is again fast down, my friends. The price is again fast down. Why the price is fast down? What's the reason behind that? My friends, at this time, the short-term investor buy the free Shiba token in this time, because the unique holders, and I also told you in my videos that buy, but people don't take it serious, my friends. Now these holders now start selling on this point, and the price is fast down, fast down, fast down in this time. This is why the price is fast down, because a lot of holders is going to sell and they will want profit from the Shiba. That's why the price is fast down. And now in the last half this month, the last half month, every cryptocurrency is fast down, my friends, because the people want to invest in the new coin. That is why they decide to sell previous coin, my friends. That is why the price is fast down from the previous last 1 week. But now the good news is that on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, my prediction about Shiba token is that in the start of June, maybe there is a lot of chances to they take a jump, my friends. We can't say about the future, but that is my prediction only. And how do you feel about Shiba? Please tell me in the comment box. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Shiba? Please share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.